neat, and welcome back to the Witches Cauldron. This video is for those of you who are interested in the Wicca 101 classes that I am going to be starting here, I believe in about 2 weeks. We're going to call it around the first part of August. What these classes are going to be from the ground up, literally. So, you know, advanced practitioners, you are more than welcome to join in. As a refresher, those of you who are brand new or interested about Wicca and learning more about Wicca and witchcraft, please feel free. In the description box of this video, I have listed a couple of learning resources that I'm going to be using. They are books by Chamberlain, and they're available in Kindle format. Now, you do not have to have a Kindle device to read them. You can download the Kindle app for your phone. They have it in Android and iPhone versions, and you can also download the cloud reader for Kindle on your PC or Mac. And they also have tablet versions out there. So, you know, if you have some type of an electronic device, you should be able to read these. These resources, if you purchase the Kindle version, I believe they are $4.99. So and that's for 3 books. So it's very cheap. If you have Kindle Unlimited already, they are free for you to check out. If you want to buy the paperbacks, I think they range from $11.99 to like $12.99 to get a paperback version of the books. These texts are literally ground up. So I'm going to put the links in the description box of this video. Now, these are Amazon Associate Program affiliate links. I do earn a small commission on them if you click and use that link. You can always not use the link, go to Amazon, search for the books by Chamberlain. Be sure to buy the 3 packs that are there because it's a lot cheaper than paying $2.99 for each one of those 3 books separately. They have it in a 3-pack, and you get the 3 books in a set for $4.99. So you do save some money. And what I plan on doing is somewhere around the first part of August, what I will do on a Sunday is I will post a video with the basic subject matter and some teaching for that. And then the following, give you a week to do the homework. You'll have a homework assignment. And then the following Saturday afternoon, we'll have a live stream. And you will have the ability to ask questions, you know, go over things. I can go into some more detail. And I hope some of the experienced practitioners will also come for the live streams and participate in these classes because, you know, it's always wonderful to have different viewpoints and have different ways that I learned in a very eclectic tradition. Some people learn in what were called Gardnerian traditions that are very regimented and practice a lot of high magic, you know, very ritual based and everything. So there are all kinds of Wicca, all flavors, all different kinds. So, you know, I really hope that people from all over the pagan community participate. I also hope that folks who are spiritual come and participate in the classes and just listen, because some of the teachings can be applied to just becoming more spiritual and having a deeper connection with the divine. So with that said, you know, I do make sure that you are subscribed to both my BYOS Paranormal Twitter account, that's at BYOS Paranormal, and also the Witches Cauldron at THEWITCHESCAUL1 on Twitter, because that's where I'm going to be making like a lot of class announcements, updates, if there's, you know, a cancellation or something like that. And I will also do updates with more particulars about firmer class schedules and everything else. But I did want to get this out, give people the opportunity to get the books and resources that I'm recommending for this go round. I really am trying to keep the costs at a minimum, and to keep them very low so that you're not spending, you know, hundreds and hundreds of dollars worth of books like I have behind me, you know, to take these courses, because that's not really necessary. I will be developing like class handouts and everything, so I will be like distributing these through Google Documents. So you will be able to, you know, print them out, download them, and I will give them to you in a link. There will be a link on the Witches Cauldron Twitter account. So, you know, that's how I'm going to distribute classroom materials. Please know that these materials are my own, and don't, you know, give them out to everybody in their, you know, don't slap somebody else's name on them. You know, I'm going to be putting a lot of work into these. You can take parts of them, and, you know, if you give me credit for the work, that's fine. Just know that, you know, I'm working very hard on the curriculum for this, just like my head high priestess worked very hard on the curriculum that I took, that took me, you know, almost 2 years to go through the advanced priestess level of training. With that said, I'm looking forward to working with each and every one that signs up for these classes and comes to the classes. I look forward to getting to know you guys better. And I'm looking forward to really making this channel a place of love and light, and a place where folks can come to become more spiritually involved and get in touch with the divine on a deeper level, in whatever capacity that may be. I also plan on uploading meditations to the channel, and it may be that I just put like, you know, a screen or a graphic up, and then do the voiceover for the meditation. You probably will not see me, because I think that's a little distracting. I might just put like a pretty picture or something up on the meditations, because I think sitting there, you know, looking at me talking might be a little bit distracting for a guided meditation. And you know, I really do hope everyone will be involved, and I do hope that experienced practitioners will participate, and I hope that folks from, you know, all walks of paganism become involved with the channel. I'm really looking forward to having a lot of good content for this channel. So, you know, I really am looking forward to this, guys. With that said, merry we did meet, merry we will part, and merry we will meet again. So until we see each other again, everyone, walk in love and light. Bye.